All about security, emergency response for all. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the class of Emergency Response Training course. I am the main teacher of this course, Miss Yamang. Today, we come to Jiangxi Airlines. We'll be here to take a look at what emergency equipment the flight attendants need to learn. We will discuss the operation of portable oxygen bottle. In flight, the safety of passengers and crew is our most concern, and the portable oxygen bottle is one of the key equipment to ensure flight safety. Case in point, in June 2024, on a flight from Kunming to Haikou, by Xiaoping Airlines 8L9971, a passenger had a sudden illness. A woman was pale, with her hands and feet twitched, and had difficulty breathing. The crew found out in time and started the emergency medical rescue procedure. Start breathing oxygen for the sick passenger, and monitor the use of oxygen bottle, and continue to massage the sick passenger's limbs, and observe the status of the passenger. The sick passengers and fellow passengers expressed their sincere gratitude to the crew for their all-out rescue and help. Equipment explanation. The structure of the portable oxygen bottle. Portable oxygen bottle is green, with smooth bottom, protruding outward. It includes pressure gauge, shutoff valve, head connection assembly, and oxygen mask, etc. Each component has its own unique function. There is a pressure gauge on the oxygen bottle, showing the pressure of the oxygen bottle, and also showing the amount of oxygen in the oxygen bottle. The shutoff valve is used to control the high-pressure oxygen bottle supply. To the head connection assembly, there is a pressure regulator in the connecting assembly of the head of the oxygen bottle, which can adjust the pressure and flow to the oxygen mask. Turn-off valve. Clockwise rotation is closed. Counterclockwise rotation is open, only when the oxygen mask connector is inserted. Will the oxygen flow to the oxygen mask? The use time of the oxygen bottle is affected by three factors: the calibrated pressure of the oxygen bottle, the capacity of the oxygen bottle, and height during oxygen delivery. The capacity of portable oxygen cylinders is different for different models. Oxygen supply mode and usage time. Portable oxygen bottles have different service times, according to different capacities. Let's start with two types. First, the 311-liter oxygen cylinder uses a high-flow outlet, HI, with a flow rate of 4 liters per minute for 77 minutes, and a low-flow outlet, LO. The flow rate is 2 liters per minute and can be used for 155 minutes. Second, a 120-liter oxygen cylinder with a high-flow outlet, HI, at a flow rate of 4 liters per minute for 30 minutes, with a low-flow outlet, LO. The flow rate is 2 liters per minute and can be used for 60 minutes. This careful adjustment ensures that oxygen resources can be used properly in different emergency situations. Equipment operation. Before flight, the crew must carefully check the oxygen bottle. As flight attendants, we must master the equipment in 3 aspects every time. From pre-flight inspection, use method to precautions. Everything should be concerned and carried out one by one. Now let's take a look at how to check and operate 311 liters. Pre-flight inspection. The pressure pointer is in the red area, and the value points to at 1800 psi. The matching oxygen mask shall be sealed with plastic bag, intact and tied to the oxygen cylinder. No crack, pollution and damage. The oxygen supply switch is usually provided with an iron wire lead seal at the closed position, with 2 oxygen outlets and dust caps for protection, 1 gas inlet, and 2 pressure reducing valves. 2. Usage method. Open the dust cap, take out the oxygen mask, and connect the plastic pipe plug with the selected flow port. Open the oxygen mask and lift the metal strip to form an open pocket. Turn counterclockwise to open the cylinder valve and observe for oxygen injection. Oxygen mask. Oxygen supply confirmation method. A. Use your hands or face close to the oxygen mask to feel the gas flow out. B. Oxygen mask with flow indicator can also confirm oxygen supply by observing the flow indicator. Put a strap over your head. Clip metal strip on bridge of nose. Adjust the lower edge of the mask to cover the chin. Fit the mask to the nose and cheeks. Monitor oxygen flow. 3. Precautions. Smoking is not allowed within 4 meters. And there is no fire source within 4 meters of oxygen consumption. Stop use at 50 psi. Remaining pressure. For reoxygenation. Use of low flow in emphysema patients. Do not drop or hit the oxygen cylinder. Avoid oxygen contact with heavy grease or lipstick. Fill in passenger cabin record book after use. Every detail is crucial to flight safety. Proficiency in the proper use of portable oxygen bottles is the responsibility of every crew member and is likely to be the key to saving lives in an emergency. Please carry out simulation training according to the video content after class and practice the use of portable oxygen bottle. Flight safety is greater than sky. Emergency equipment. Keep in mind. Please be sure to use the equipment knowledge you have learned to ensure that every flight can take off and land safely. Okay, that's it for this class. I'm Mississippi Yamming. I'll see you next class.